juicy and red, take a bite, yum yum, it's what I said. B is for ball, bouncing high, watch it fly up to the sky. C is for cat, soft and sweet, purring kitty moves her feet. D is for dog, run and play, wag your tail and bark hooray. E is for elephant, big and tall, trumpet loud, hear him call. F is for fish, swimming free, splash around and wiggle with glee. G is for giraffe, neck so long, stretch up high, singing a song. H is for hippo, in the lake, splash, splash, watch the waves we make. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet, lick, lick, yum, what a treat. J is for jump, hop up and down, jump so high, don't touch the ground. K is for kite, fly so high, zoom and zoom across the sky. L is for lion, roar hooray, let's all cheer and shout, yay! N is for monkey, swing and play, climb the trees and laugh all day. N is for nest, baby birds inside, tweet, 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 let's watch them glide. O is for orange, round and sweet, roll it, toss it, yum to eat. P is for penguin, slide on ice, waddle around, isn't that nice? Q is for queen, shiny crown, wave hello in her royal gown. R is for rabbit, hop so fast, through the fields he runs past. S is for sun, shining bright, giving us warmth and golden light. T is for train, choo choo choo, riding fast, woo woo woo. U is for umbrella, in the rain, spin it around and dance again. V is for violin, play a tune, twinkle twinkle under the moon. W is for whale, splash and play, wave hello, swim all day. X is for xylophone, tap tap tap, musical notes go clap clap clap. Y is for yo-yo, up and down, spin it around, all through town. C is for zebra, stripes black and white, run with me from morning to night. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, learning ABCs is really neat. Sing with me, 1, 2, 3, come along and dance with me.